All right, dear friends and family, this is Tawita today, and I hope you're doing great and you're practicing English every single day. You're very welcome to my video, and I hope you're doing really good, right? You are learning English. You're very excited to learn English. You're very enthusiastic for learning English. You want to speak like a real motivational speaker, but when you turn on your camera, you are getting struck. What is the problem that you're facing every day? When you try to something, I want to try to say something about English. I mean, in English, you are getting struck. What is the problem? What is the problem that you're facing every single day? And what should I do? What can you do? You can record yourself in front of the camera. You can do it, bro. I will grant to you if you can do this thing, your shyness problem, your mumbling problem will be removed. You have to do this thing. You don't need to think about others. But I've seen many students are thinking, if I do any mistakes, what will happen? What people think about me? And people will laugh at me. You are thinking like this there, so you're not being able to do it. Dear brother, sister, you have to speak more confidently. You may know some words, you may know some sentences, some phrase, other things, and other things. It's no problem. This is not a problem. The problem is your mindset. The problem is your mindset. You have to change your mindset. You have to think like a bigger way. Right now, I'm recording this video. You can say with my computer or on my computer with my on my mobile phone, right? You have to describe everything in English. You don't need to think about others. Just believe in yourself and try to record yourself in front of the camera. It doesn't matter. You can just record some videos. You don't need to upload your videos. You can just take your eye contact. You can check your body language, body movement. So this is how I have learned English. You can try it. Don't worry about your English. Just believe in yourself. You can do everything. This is all about it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Please pray for me, my dear brother and sister.